Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Twin Mom. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sublimation mouse pad. Before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button to stay up to date on my latest videos. And let's jump right in. So I've already printed my image off. That is the easy part using the sublimation paper. So here's my image right here. And it looks kind of faded. Once you get into sublimation, you'll understand why it looks faded. But in the end product, it will actually look very vibrant. And you're going to need a sublimation mouse pad. So I have my mouse pad here. You will also need some butcher paper and some good old heat resistant tape. Okay? All right. So how we're going to start, we're going to take our butcher paper and go ahead and lay that down. When you do your image, you print your image out, it's gonna have some white edges. You make sure you just cut all the white out. Leave a little bit of overlay of your actual image just to ensure that you cover your full mouse pad. And you'll see why. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the mouse pad down here. And then I'm gonna lay my image on top, okay? All right, so now I have the image on top, and you just want to make sure you got it lined up the way you want it. I'm going to push this up, give it just a little bit there. Okay. And once you have it placed exactly where you want it, you'll need to you'll need to go ahead and tape it using your heat transfer tape. So you'll take it and you're just taping it to the paper. Right there. And try to start with both of the edges so that it doesn't move. I left a little too much hangover. Okay. I'm gonna do the top part here. Now that's a normal amount of hangover. Okay. And let's go ahead and take the bottom. Okay. And then you just flip it over. And now at this point, you need to tape it down to the actual butcher paper. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is just to make sure it doesn't move because we already have it taped. Okay. That's down. And that's down. All right, so at this point, we just need to fold over what we have here and put it on our press. So now our heat press is at 400 degrees. We have the timer set to 40 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and add our mouse pad to the heat press. Slide it right on there. Okay. Then we'll just bring this right on around. Drop it. Start the timer. All right, we're gonna stop the timer. Our 40 seconds is up. We're gonna lift our press. See what we're working with under here. Okay, so you wanna go ahead and remove everything immediately because it's sublimation. here's our mouse pad. There we go. Looks good to me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my other videos, our how to use vinyl videos, our how to sublimate a mug videos. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you found any of this information valuable.